What up, fam? Welcome back to another cool episode of me working on this car that was sitting for 9 years. Super stoked. Can't believe it's running pretty good. Today, what I'm doing is I just put some Seafoamy Doodle in the tank, and a lot of it. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the fuel filter that's in this thing because it looks like it's never been replaced in it. And it was sitting for 9 years. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Appreciate all of you guys for watching.
Artlist.io Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io Music licensing reimagined.
Well, guys, the rats strike again. Got the fuel filter loose down in here. Not a whole lot of room, by the way. But yeah, there's our fuel filter. Got it loose. I was looking around back here, and turns out, I don't know why the quality looks so terrible right now. It's getting dark out, but anyways, this wire right here. See that? Another victim of the mice. I'm glad I found that. I'm gonna probably fix that right now before disconnecting those fuel lines so we don't start a fire.
Artlist.io Music licensing reimagined.
All right, now onto that fuel filter. Kind of wondering if I should have left it in the bracket before I tried to loosen these fuel lines. Problem is I can't get to them without loosening the bracket. So I'm going to go grab the other fuel filter and see the orientation of the bottom of it so I can see what I'm working with.
Artlist.io Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these wrestlers nice. All these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself.
Music
just
licensing
to elevate.
reimagined.
Some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 8 at Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this
Music
life. I'm faced
licensing
with a lot of different
reimagined.
choices these days. Do a rock and roll Lex account of Blueface. The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brother since 6th grade. G-Wagon red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported these. Thanking God for the life he afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, acting like the hood. I need a brown skinned chick just like Megan Good. Holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the
Artlist.io.
background, it's a serenade. Been rapping 10 years, boy, this ain't a phase. I paid dues, paid rent, and I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot, I had real pain. But thank God, cause we really on a better days. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked
Music
a lot of different
licensing
things just to live this
reimagined.
life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. What's a life without sacrifice? Sometimes you gotta thank God and just roll the dice. Pacino.
Artlist.io.
Well, there she is, guys. We got her out finally. Holy moly. Before I put the new one in, let's see. Before I put the new one in, I'm probably Gonna go through and double check the wiring down here. Make sure everything's good and copacetic and not chewed up by rats. And then there's still some more leftovers from the little friends that were down in here, in between the subframe and the firewall, that I'm going to get out of here before I put the new one in. So I'm going to cover those lines for now, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Peace out.